Assalamu alaikum. I hope all of my students are in very good health and you're enjoying yourself at your home. Grade 2, today we are going to discuss question answers from the unit sound. We are going to discuss 4 questions from that unit. In this lesson, the students shall be able to learn and write all the important concepts of sound. They shall be able to use proper sentence construction to form a proper answer. Things that are to be kept in mind while doing the work is that the work must be done in a very neat handwriting. The spellings must be checked and corrected frequently, and all the new spellings must be learnt by the student by heart. We had discussed in the previous lesson of sound that what are sounds. We had discussed that sound is a type of energy that is made by vibration and it travels from one place to another. We had also discussed that sound is a very important part of our life. We are only able to communicate with each other mostly with the help of sound. If you want to talk to your friend, you call him and then both of you listen to each other's voice and talk to each other with the help of your voice. Now, what is voice? Voice of human body is sound. Sound can only be produced with the help of two objects. There are many mediums through which sound travels. For example, air, water, and solid objects. For example, if someone is watching TV in one room and you are sitting in another room right next to the first room, then you will be able to hear all the sounds coming from that room. You know why that happens? Because as we had discussed that sound travels and it travels through mediums. Vibrations are steady back and forth movement of particles. Sound travels through vibrations in the form of sound waves. When an object moves back and forth, it produces vibrations in them. Human beings cannot see these vibrations with their eyes. The interesting part is that, my students, that one part of human body detects these vibrations. And I'm sure you all know what that part is. That's right, our ears. These vibrations are picked up or detected by our ears. When these vibrations go into our ears, the brain identifies them as different type of sounds. And I'm sure you all remember the function of human brain. Yes, my students, the human brain is the control center of our body. It also detects the sound waves. That is how we hear different sounds through vibrations. Now, my dear student, I hope you are clear with the concept of sound, vibrations, and how human body hear different types of sounds. Our next question is that what are sound waves and what are high pitch waves and low pitch waves? If an object vibrates or moves back and forth really fast, then high pitch sounds are produced. High pitch sounds have a smaller gap between each wave. Now let's discuss low pitch sound waves. When an object vibrates slowly, then low pitch sound waves are created. Low pitch sound waves have large gap between each wave. Now let's see a comparison between high pitch wave and low pitch wave. Students, as you can see both high pitch wave and low pitch wave on the screen. In high pitch wave, the gap between each new wave is very small. Students, see the difference between two waves. The distance is very small. In a high pitch wave, more number of vibrations are created by the object. That is why we hear loud sounds. Whereas in a low pitch wave, the gap or distance between each new wave is very large. Students, see the difference between two waves now? It is very large. In low pitch waves, less number of vibrations are produced by the object, and that is why we hear low sounds. Now students, your task is to write down and learn all these questions on your notebooks and learn their answers by heart. Inshallah, I will meet you in the next lesson. Till then, Allah Hafiz.